Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B2030 indicates a signal error related to the left power sliding door's touch or pinch sensor in a Honda Odyssey manufactured between 2011 and 2017. This error emerges when the vehicle's onboard diagnostic (OBD) system fails to receive the correct signals from the pinch sensor located in the vicinity of the left power sliding door. The pinch sensor is a crucial component that detects an obstruction when the door is closing, ensuring the safety of passengers and preventing injury. This sensor works by sending signals to the vehicle's control unit, which then initiates a stop and reverse operation if an obstacle is detected. When the DTC appears, it may affect the functionality of the sliding door, posing a risk to safety and convenience. It is essential to address this issue promptly to maintain optimal vehicle performance and safe operation. The left power sliding door pinch sensor is primarily responsible for monitoring the movement of the power sliding door in your Honda Odyssey. Positioned adjacent to the left sliding door, this sensor plays a significant role in preventing injuries by ensuring that the door retracts if it encounters an obstacle, like a person's arm or bag. This operation is vital for the door's mechanism as it interacts directly with the vehicle's power sliding door control unit. If the sensor fails or sends incorrect signals due to various issues, the control unit will trigger the DTC B2030 alert. Finding and fixing this signal error is essential, as it restores the proper operation of the sliding door system and enhances the safety features designed for the passengers. A faulty sensor can lead to operational failures of the door, making it crucial to address any error codes promptly and accurately. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC B2030. Firstly, a faulty pinch sensor is a common cause. This could be due to internal defects or wear and tear over time, making it incapable of sending accurate signals to the control unit. Secondly, electrical connection issues can manifest as loose connections or damaged wiring between the pinch sensor and the power sliding door control unit. This may disrupt signal transmission, leading to the code being set. Lastly, a malfunction in the power sliding door control unit itself could cause it not to process incoming signals correctly, resulting in the DTC being flagged. Understanding these possible causes is essential to accurately diagnose and resolve the problem to ensure the safe operation of the sliding door system in your Honda Odyssey. When the DTC B2030 is present, several symptoms may surface, which can significantly affect the usability of your Honda Odyssey's sliding door. One of the most noticeable symptoms is the malfunction of the left power sliding door. It may not open or close correctly, or may not respond to commands at all. The error code itself will typically be displayed on the vehicle's diagnostic system, alerting the driver to the issue. Additionally, the touch or pinch safety feature that prevents the door from closing on obstacles may become inoperative, which poses a safety risk, especially for children. These symptoms highlight the importance of promptly addressing the error code to ensure the vehicle operates as expected and maintains its safety functions. The first troubleshooting step when addressing DTC B2030 involves clearing any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This step is crucial to reset the vehicle system and provide a clean slate for the next diagnostic check. After clearing the DTCs, turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then switch it back to the on position. This reset helps to refresh the vehicle's electronic system, allowing you to verify if the DTC will reappear. Following this, you should check for DTCs using the HDS once again. If DTC B2030 is present, it indicates a persistent issue that needs further investigation. However, if the code is not indicated, This suggests that the problem may have been intermittent or resolved, and you should inspect for possible loose or poor connections affecting the left power sliding door system. In the second step, begin by turning the ignition switch to the lock position, ensuring that the electrical systems are off for safety. Next, you will need to disconnect the 2-pin connector from the left power sliding door pinch sensor. It's important to handle these connectors carefully to avoid damage. Once disconnected, you will measure the resistance between the terminals of the pinch sensor to assess its functionality. Specifically, you should measure the resistance between terminals number 1 and number 2 of the sensor side connector. A healthy sensor should show at least 1.1 kilo-ohm of resistance. If the resistance is within this expected range, you have confirmed that the sensor is operational. If not, the sensor likely requires replacement, and you should proceed to the next troubleshooting steps for verification. The third troubleshooting step involves disconnecting the left power sliding door control unit connector B, which has 16 pins. After disconnecting, check for continuity between terminal number 7 of this connector and terminal number 2 of the previous pinch sensor connector. Continuity checking is essential for ensuring that an electrical path exists between the two components. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the wiring and connections between these two components are intact. Conversely, a lack of continuity may suggest issues such as damaged wires or poor connections. Inspect the wires thoroughly for any signs of fraying, corrosion, or other damage, as these can impede signal transmission, leading to the error. Resolving any identified issues in this step is crucial before considering component replacements, as the problem may lie within the wiring and not the parts themselves. After completing the necessary repairs based on your findings, it's time to perform a final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Start by reconnecting both the pinch sensor and the left power sliding door control unit connectors, making sure they are secured properly to prevent any future electrical issues. Once these components are reconnected, test the functionality of the left power sliding door to ensure it opens and closes smoothly without any hindrance. A critical part of this verification process involves checking for DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS). Confirm that the previously indicated DTC B2030 has been cleared and that there are no new codes present. Ensuring a clean diagnostic report is essential to verify that the repairs were successful and that the vehicle is now operating under normal conditions, contributing to the safety and convenience of all passengers. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC B2030. Regularly scheduled system checks should be an integral part of your vehicle maintenance routine, allowing for early detection of issues before they escalate. During these checks, inspect the connectors and wiring related to the left power sliding door. Look for any signs of wear, corrosion, or looseness, as these factors can severely impact the sensor's ability to perform effectively. Additionally, continuously monitor the performance of the pinch sensor during regular use. If you notice any irregularities or failure indicators, address them immediately. By maintaining these preventive measures, you minimize the risk of signal errors and ensure the continuous and safe operation of your Honda Odyssey sliding door system. In conclusion, the DTC B2030 signals an important issue related to the left power sliding door's pinch sensor, a crucial safety feature in the Honda Odyssey. By understanding the role this sensor plays in preventing injuries, vehicle owners can appreciate the urgency of troubleshooting the error effectively. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps allows for a systematic approach to identifying whether the issue lies with the sensor, connections, or control unit. Additionally, Prioritizing vehicle safety through preventive maintenance and timely repairs ensures a reliable driving experience. A well-maintained power sliding door system not only enhances convenience, but also safeguards the occupants, emphasizing the importance of addressing any DTCs promptly and accurately. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.